In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add dates when adding new items in Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to streamline your workflow, setting up this automation can significantly enhance the efficiency of your project management. So, without any delay, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the board to which you wish to add this automation. This step is crucial because automations are board-specific. You'll need to configure them separately for each board you want to implement them on. Once you've got your desired board open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a button that says Automate. Give that button a click to open up the Automations window. In this window, you'll see a variety of templates designed for different types of automations. However, for this task, we'll be creating an automation from scratch, so go ahead and select the Create from Scratch option. This will allow us to tailor the automation to our specific needs. Next, we need to define the trigger for our automation. You'll want to click on the option that says When this happens, which will make a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Item Created. This choice sets our automation to activate whenever a new item is added to the board, which is exactly what we need. The next step is to determine the action that will follow our trigger. Click on Then Do This, and you'll see another drop-down menu. From this list, select Set Date. This option will allow you to automatically assign a date whenever a new item is created. Now, we need to specify which column should receive this date. Click on the word Date, and you'll be given the option to choose which column you want to apply the date to from your board's available columns. Make your selection, ensuring it aligns with the column where you want the automatically assigned date to appear. Finally, it's time to bring everything together by clicking on Create Automation. This step finalizes your automation, integrating it into your board's functionality. Once you've completed this, you can go ahead and close the automation window. To ensure everything is set up correctly, take a moment to test your new automation. Simply add a new item to your board and check that the date is automatically populated in the correct column. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully set up an automation in Monday.com that will save you time and reduce manual data entry. Feel free to explore more automation possibilities to further improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity with Monday.com.